Hey Eric, hey Samantha. This is going to be the Richmond American. This is going to be the paired homes located in the Aurora Highlands. These start at 432,950. This is going to be a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. This is the Chicago floor plan. So I did talk to the lender about this one, and they're only able to get the rate down to 5.5%. So that's going to make the mortgage on these about 30. I think she said $3,300. So I'm just going to take you on the tour of this. This is the refrigerator. This is going to come with all of the appliances for the kitchen. This is another one of those floor plans that does not come with the washer and dryer, but this also is going to have that luxury vinyl plank flooring and the white cabinets and granite countertops as well. This is going to have a little bit of outdoor space here with the trifold windows over here. This particular model is actually being purchased by someone, so that's why you see a little bit of the boxes here, but I'll just take you through here. This is going to be the powder room on the first floor. Through this way is going to be the garage, and then we'll just go upstairs here. Pretty open floor plan, which I do like as well. One thing I did notice about these bedrooms is that they are a pretty big size. These can probably fit comfortably a queen size bed. So that's going to be the bathroom on the other side. A little bit about this area is that you're going to be about 15 minutes from the closest restaurant. There's the Green Valley Ranch Beer Garden down the street. There's a Chili's and Arapahoe Springs Bar and Grill, Mountain Pass Sports Bar and Grill as well. Some of the schools in the area are going to be Green Valley Elementary School. There's also a daycare there called Little Mama's Daycare. It's located also near Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Early College. There's Marama Elementary School, another school, Highline Northeast, Omar D. Charter School. There's Clyde Miller K-8 school, and then another daycare called Little People Learning Center. So it's pretty centrally located, about 16 minutes from most locations that you probably want to visit, like the grocery store. Nice too. One of the things that I was looking for when I was touring is to see if there would be any place that you would be able to comfortably put a desk for that home office. And I don't really see one here. A lot of the space is just kind of already occupied for, what it's designed for, like the bedroom. There's not a lot of space downstairs either. I'll go down one more time because I did want you to kind of get another eye on that living room space. But it's kind of all designated space. It is bright, it is airy, nice finishes, but I don't necessarily think that this has all of the components that you're looking for, especially with it being a little bit over budget as well. It doesn't feel like, I think that you'd be able to do a little bit better.